The old Stella had 3 levels and stairs, and so to have it all on one level is just wonderful, really. It's easier for the residents to mix because they're all on this one level, same area. Well, it helps staff because you've got access to other staff easily because we're all on one level with central office area, and so we can access each other very easily. We have a nice system of communication with our buzzers, which we can ring people if we need help, and that's a good thing. We didn't have that before. The other thing that's really good is the tracking system in each room. It just means we're not chasing after lifting machines anymore. They're there, we can use them, and you've got help with them. Time saving for the resident, they don't have to wait. For example, if they want to go to the toilet, they don't have to wait for us to go and get a machine and come back. It's there. The entertainment factor is that they each have a TV and latest models. They're positioned on the wall, so we don't have to move anything. They're out of our way, and yet they're in a convenient position for the resident to see. They've actually got, you know, their own space, and there's plenty of space to move around and get wheelchairs in without having to fight over a TV or, you know, something like that. There's 2 dining areas, which gives the residents on each, like the 2 wings, share a dining room. So they get to mix there, and then there's the activities room where they can all go if there's something much bigger on. Plus there's little sitting rooms where families and friends can come in and visit and have a nice little room, a private room. I like looking at the Australian bush, and I'm sure a lot of these older people do too, and you just have to open those windows and there it is. There's the gum trees and the walks and the wattles and I like that. And they like the birds. There's a fairly big bird community around here of green parrots and things, and they love it. They love it. They love sitting there looking at that. And it's easy access outside. The doors just open and let them out and out the front. They can go out through to the decking by asking us. We just unlock the door and out they go, and they can sit out there on the decking and look across the bush at the wattle and stuff. It's helped it a lot in that it makes it easier for staff and residents. It makes it a more pleasant surrounding than they've had. It makes it plenty of space to be able to have gatherings and parties and things like that. There's plenty of rooms they can go to for privacy and yet not have to go into a bedroom. They can go for walks around the place. Everything's just set out for a comfortable, pleasant time while you're here. And I think that's what it has to be.